Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just colored my hair using a new formula from Schwarzkopf, and they reformulated their keratin color, and it is now a bond enforcing system, which is amazing. So I just saw this like a couple weeks ago that they just reformulated it, and I was like so freaking excited, and I was like, I have to try it because I love this brand. Anytime anyone comments asking me for a good recommendation on any video, this is the brand I recommend always because it lasts so long. Now, if I didn't have my whites pop in and grow so insanely fast, this hair color could easily last me at least 2.5, 3 months. And I know, like, that is insane, and it really lasts. So I don't know, this is just my opinion, this is what I think. I've done my hair with so many different brands, I've colored it like from everything from Sally's, everything from the drugstore, and there's some hair colors out there that wash away really quickly. I know all the instructions say wash your hair out until it runs clear. Well, this color doesn't run clear ever. So I kind of feel like that is a good sign. And this is just my opinion. This is just how I think. And when someone asked me a question about this in my family and I was like explaining this, they looked at it as if, you know, that's kind of a good point. I never thought of it that way. So I don't know, maybe it's just me and this is what I think. Maybe it's true. I don't know. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's just something I thought of. But anyways, I feel like when your hair color washes clear the first time and then stays clear when you wash it every other time, I kind of feel like all your money went down the drain with that hair color, and it washed completely out. Now with this hair color, I've noticed since the very beginning back in 2017 when I first used it, that it never ran clear. So I was like, okay, whatever. So I just would wash my hair out until my hair felt clean, and I was okay with that. If my hair feels clean, it's clean. I'm not going to sit here and just try to wait for the water to run clear. So I've kind of been thinking that with this hair color, every single time I wash my hair, and I wash my hair once a week, and that is it. Nothing more, unless like my hair got dirty for some insane reason that I had to wash it twice in 1 week. That's like the only exception, where my kids got marshmallow or something in my hair, or like some reason like that. But anyways, that's the only exception. But I wash my hair once a week, and the hair color will keep washing out every single time I wash my hair. And I've noticed this for very long periods, thinking like, okay, in 2 weeks it'll wash out completely, and you know, whatever. No, this hair color lasts so long. I've literally had it wash out within 2 months, and that is amazing. Now, maybe that's just me, that I'm like, my hair color using this brand lasts me about 2.5 months because it's still washing out. Like, the color is so good that it's so stuck in my hair that it just slowly washes out, like slowly. Your water is never clean and clear when you wash your hair with this brand, ever. And when I need to wash my hair, color my hair after maybe a couple months, it's still never clear before I have to color my hair again. So in my mind, I'm thinking, that's amazing. that this hair color stays in your hair for that long that you never see the water clear. It's always got color in it. And maybe that's me that thinks this, that like this hair color is just that amazing that it stays in your hair for that long. And there's other colors that wash out literally right away. And then you're just like, you see your hair and you're just like, did it even do anything? Like, I put it in and I washed it out. The water's clear the next time I wash my hair. Like, did I just wash the hair color out? And now that's how I think. Because I'm so used to using a really good quality hair color that if my water is clear when I wash my hair after like the third or fourth wash, I'm just like, well, that didn't last as long as I wanted it to, but it lasted 3 weeks. That's good. But like this hair color just, it lasts. Like I never have clear water when washing my hair, ever. No matter how many months it is. I mean, obviously by like month 3 or 4, it'll be clear. But for it to be like a whole entire month and it's still just as blue as like day 1, like still just a lot of hair color, you're just like, how is all of that still in my hair? I kind of feel like that's amazing. But this is just my opinion. This is just like what I think. And even like explaining like that crazy thought to people, they're like, you know, I never really looked at it that way. Like, yeah, you want your hair color to last so many washes that it does kind of make sense that if you still see hair color coming out weeks and weeks later after you colored your hair, then that means that it's sticking and lasting in your hair for that long, that it's worth the money. And I don't know. Then they've all switched to Schwarzkopf. They're like, I need that brand. Send me a link to that brand. Where can I buy it? Like, all of that. So, yeah, that maybe that's just me. So, sorry about that rant. I just wanted to know if anyone else thinks that. I think that, but it could be true, could not be true. I don't know. But that's just how I feel, and that's my take on it. So this color lasts so long. If I didn't have, like I said, if I did not have whites that grew in so fast, so long, and were so irritating to look at, I could push this hair color for like 2.5 months, maybe longer, and not have to color my hair. But since it comes in so quickly, literally I could get 4 weeks, which is technically like a month, out before my whites just like irritate the crap out of me. And since this is really, really gentle now, I'm so happy about that. The system is still the same as it was before. You do have the pre-color serum that you have to put in your hair first, and then you can go ahead and color your hair. So that hasn't changed. That's exactly the same. There is no scent really except the pre-color serum. That smells like men's body wash, like a strong men's body wash. And it still my hair still smells like it, even though I washed my hair out, and it still smells like it, which is fine. Like, I really have no issue with that at all. Yeah, so let's get into the hair color. So it's very, very gloomy outside, and I don't think it's really gonna show up, but like right here, it looks like a gorgeous dark jet black, and I'm okay with that. But I want to see if I can see any blue. Like, I couldn't see much at all in my vanity light. So I'm going to switch over into the full natural lighting and see what we can see. Ooh, I can definitely see some blue. I'm hoping the camera picks up what I see. Like, I see it. I see the blue. It may not be as, like, navy blue. You can't even see that. Okay, so this is, like, really, really navy blue. And I don't know if it'll look like that in the sun, but I can see the blue now in this natural lighting by the window. I think that looks amazing. I really hope you guys can see it because it's so beautiful. Now, I am a sucker for, which you guys are gonna think I'm crazy once again. I love my hair when it's super dark, so dark, but yet really bright blue. And I know I get a lot of people constantly asking, like, why? Like, that makes no sense at all. You want your hair as dark as night, but yet you want it to be super bright blue. Why don't you just dye your hair blonde first and then do it blue so you have that blue? It doesn't work that way. It just doesn't, because the blue just doesn't get that dark. You have to have it as like a black. And even if I wanted to, you still wouldn't, it wouldn't pop as much at all. So, but yes, I get, people think I'm crazy when I say I want my hairs super dark, dark as night, and I also want it to be like bright blue. So it's kind of like a contradiction in itself. You want two worlds to collide and give you the best of both worlds. But anyways, I'm liking this. At first I was just like, it's just like a super, super dark blue or black. And now sitting in this light, I can see the blue, and I'm really, really liking it. It looks so pretty. Can't wait to see what it looks like in actual sun, because I hope like it intensifies that blue. Oh, it's gonna look so beautiful. So anyways, I am done rambling on all my nonsense. I hope this helped you decide if you want to try their new formula. And I'm in love, because I literally did their hair color in the keratin color 2 months ago using espresso brown. It was like the darkest brown that they had, and that formula made my scalp itch. It was tolerable, but I'm so glad that they reformulated it to this, because now it's so gentle and it did not make my skin and scalp and all that itch. So thank you for that. But if you have any recommendations of any new blue blacks that were like reformulated or came out new in a line that already existed, they decided to add more blue blacks to their line, I'm definitely open to trying them. I thought the one Clairol Natural Instincts Bright and Bold was a new one, but I already did it. I was like excited when I saw it, because the last one I did was a brand new one, and that I did not try, and I thought they added another one to their other line, but I already did it. So that one wasn't really new. I was kind of like, yay, I have a bunch of colors to try. But that one was not new, unfortunately. So I do have one more color that I got off Amazon to try, but I wanted to do blue black and do it like really dark. So for summer, I'm that person that's complete opposite of everybody. When it's summer, I go really dark. Everybody goes really light. And then in the wintertime, I try to like, I don't know, I feel like going lighter in the winter that's just me. Like, I do the complete opposite about what everybody else does. So everyone's going blonde and bright in the summer, and I'm going darker. I don't know why. I just feel like darker in the summer is beautifuler than all the brights and blondes. That's just me. So yes, I'm open to recommendations, and I give up updates on my Instagram, and that's Nina_Gilhousen if you don't follow me there already. And I give you guys like all the details, the good, the bad, the ugly on every hair color. I do not sugarcoat anything. I always just tell you the honest truth because I am a consumer just like you. I don't get paid. No one sends me hair color to try and tell me like, oh, you have to say this about this brand. No, like nobody pays me. I buy all this stuff myself. I color my hair this color on purpose. Yes, this is the color that I choose to color my hair. And I'm just like you. I've looked up many blue black hair colors on the internet, looking for people like me to try a hair color like this. And I want to know all the results. I want to know the good, the bad, the ugly. I want to see what it looks like in the sunshine. I want to see what it looks like in natural lighting. I want to know the results. And before I sit there and go and buy it. But now I just buy it to try it and let you guys know, because nobody does blue black hair. Nobody does black hair. So I've been there. I've done that. And now I'm just like, I will do it. I will help you guys out. I'll be the guinea pig. So yeah. I will do any recommendations as long as it's not where I have to like bleach my hair or do like a funky color like green or yellow. I will do just blue, black, and black. And sometimes I'll do purple black. That really doesn't show up in my hair for some reason. Like it does, but it doesn't. I think it's just because my hair is more cool toned with the blue, that when I do purple blacks, the purple, because it's violet, doesn't really mesh with the blue very well, and it doesn't give like a good result even when my hair is pretty faded and the blue's pretty gone. I think it's just because of the blue pigment that's still there. I've just noticed that it doesn't work well. It just doesn't pick up as well as it should, unless like I was brown before and then do purple and then just constantly stuck purple. Then it would work better in my hair. But yeah, I'm just gonna stick with blue blacks and blacks for now. So yeah, give me any recommendations. I do have a recommendation for a Schwarzkopf Royal Agoria. Then they reformulated it. I have to figure out where to buy the new formulation, since I'm not like a pro and I can't buy it at like an actual like hair store like Sally's or anything. I have to look on Amazon or eBay, but those are not guarantees that they're the new formulation. So if anybody knows where I can get that new formula, let a girl know. And you can always DM me in my what is it called, my Instagram, and send me a picture of like what it looks like, because I know what the old formulation one looks like, but I don't know if like packaging's different. I don't know if they kept it the same and just reformulated it. I don't know. So if you know, let me know. Yeah, in the comments below. That kind of all rhymed. But yeah, I'll see you guys later, and don't hesitate to like send me recommendations or DM me with recommendations and send pictures. That's always helpful so I know what to buy. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.